Hi everyone, welcome back to HowtoLogin. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into frostbank account using your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.frostbank.com and search. From the home page of frostbank, go to the login button in the upper right corner. Tap it on and you'll end up in the login area. Start by typing in your username into the username text box. After you are done, head over to the password text field and type in your password. Make sure to type in your password correct every time you log into your account. In case you need help remembering either your username or your password, you can tap on this login help link. Finally, after typing in all of the information needed, tap on login and you'll be logged into your frostbank account in no time. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.